Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to remove the windscreen out of the Mk1 Golf.
Okay, now on to removing the window. So what I've done is just use a pick and just pry back the seal back underneath the metal strip. That's how far I've gotten so far. I'm working my way around, but you can start to feel that the window's starting to move, so that's good. So it should be fairly easy now to take out. So this is a little pick I'm using, and all I'm doing is just grabbing it and just shoving it back underneath the metal. So like I was showing there, just pushing back the rubber very gently. Hopefully I'll be able to take the whole window out. So if you want to see someone doing this better than me, check out Trevor Brady. I'll leave the link in the description down below. He takes out the whole window really quickly. Okay, so you can tell I'm a bit exhausted by doing this, but I'm just pushing it all the way back. And I just have to give it a shove there. You can hear it all starting to push back now. So what we might be able to do is actually pull it from the outside. Biggest risk, I don't want to jinx it, but I don't want to break the window. So there's nothing wrong with this window. I have a replacement seal if I need it, but I don't know if I have the right one. Maybe I have one for a tin top or a different year or something like that. But this seal is actually pretty good, so I'm going to try and save the seal, and if I can reuse it I will. If not, I'll just use the other one. Okay, so use my little pick and just basically just pushing the rubber back over the metal seal. After separating the whole window, so you can see it there all moving. So it is ready to come out, hopefully in one go. Okay, and ta-da! The window's out.
So guys, if you like what you're seeing and you want to help me out, you can do so by buying me a virtual cup of coffee at buymeacoffee.com. Link in the description down below. Yeah, keep watching. Thanks guys.